Pakistan is now at the center of a new security order. Something significant is taking shape. Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Turkey. Three major Muslim powers are discussing a new mutual defense framework. The draft reportedly exists. Saudi Arabia brings capital, energy, and influence. Turkey brings defense technology, drones, ships, and industrial capacity. Pakistan brings nuclear deterrence, combat experience, trained manpower, and the ability to manufacture fighter aircraft. Now, Bahrain is showing interest. Jordan is seeking weapons and training cooperation. Why Pakistan? Because Pakistan is emerging as the strategic anchor of a new regional security architecture. Because Pakistan is emerging as the indispensable security partner of a changing region. Because Pakistan is emerging as a guarantor of regional security. The economic opportunity for Pakistan could run into hundreds of billions of dollars. Defense exports, F-17 aircraft, drones, air defense systems, training, maintenance, energy agreements, investments. Pakistan must convert strategic importance into factories, exports, energy security, and jobs. Pakistan has reached the table. Now Pakistan must negotiate its value.